Hey guys, it's Carrie and D, and welcome back to my channel. I am Carrie and D. So today is Monday. It is December 14th, and I decided that I was going to make a wreath. And the reason why is because I've been kind of blah, and I haven't even thought about decorating for Christmas, like literally at all. And I was walking through the store being Walmart, and I was like, I'm gonna buy a wreath. And my mom was like, well, why don't you just make one? I was being lazy. But then I said, you know what? I did it before. Let me do it again. I did have fun. Now, granted, when I made the wreath the first time, I was like in elementary school, and now I'm a whole adult with real life responsibilities and whatnot. So wasn't too thrilled about it. But hey, it could be fun, and hopefully it'll help me bring back my holiday spirit, because when I tell you it's been a buzz for 2020, especially with COVID, like I don't be feeling like doing nothing, let alone throwing some makeup on my face and walking out the door. So it is my hope that me creating this wreath will bring back some holiday cheer, because there's not much to be excited about. I mean, besides being alive and surviving COVID, like it's kind of like I'm over 2020. Like, can we get 2021, and can it be like 1,000 times better? So stay tuned if you want to see me make this wreath, and hopefully if you're like me and you're not in a holiday spirit, maybe this will give you some type of holiday cheer. Hopefully, I don't know. We'll see how it does for me, but stay tuned. Thanks. So before I get started, I wanted to share with you some of the things that I got and I picked up. All of these items I purchased from Walmart. So if you are in the neighborhood and you want to create a wreath, that's where I went. So you can go there too. So first and foremost, to create a wreath, you need a wreath. So here's my wreath. The pine cones remind me of being back at home since I can't go home for the holidays. We have a huge, gigantic evergreen in front of our house, and it drops 1,000,000 pine cones. So I decided to get this because it reminded me of home. So yeah, this is a 24-inch non-lit Conway wreath, and it was $10.98. And then I picked up some ornaments. So I don't think I paid over $1.98 for any of these in terms of the ornaments. So got a few. This is one set. Two. They actually have little snowflakes on them. I don't know, it's kind of hard to tell with the lighting. And then I got these. They say peace, hope, and like they're pine trees and stars. And then I got the monogram D for the D, Carrie and D. So then we move over to a little bit more decorative side. I did get a set of 20 mini ornaments. These were $3.48. And then I got a bow. So $6.98. And the cool thing about this bow, yeah, because your girl will have been struggling trying to glue this on here. And then I already had a hot glue gun that has been through war, and I got me some glue sticks. So this is what you need. Want to see how I create this? Stay tuned. Okay, I'm trying to find some excitement here, so bear with me. finished wreath. I did actually have fun creating this wreath. It did kind of put me into a holiday Christmas mood. Hopefully, as we continue to creep closer and closer to Christmas, I am less of a Grinch because 2020, I'm still trying to throw the whole thing away. But yeah, I did have fun. I'm glad I did this, and I'm going to be on the phone for hours with my mother talking about my wreath now because I'm kind of excited about it. Can't wait to hang it on my door. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked it. I actually love it. I'm glad I was able to kind of make something work with this part down here. So please comment, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. And if you aren't already doing so, make sure you follow me on Instagram. My IG is at Karian, KARIAN_D. I'm going to definitely have that in the description box. And stay tuned for next week. Bye.